How to get premium on Bumble. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily get the premium on your Bumble app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open your Bumble app. Then here you have to tap on your profile in the bottom left corner. And here you will see first spotlight. So tap on it. Here you will see the price for 30 spotlight, 15, 5 and 1. To buy it, select the how many spotlights you want and tap on here, get 15 spotlights. Then it will redirect you to the payment page and you can here continue with payment. And here you will see super swipe. So here also you will see the price for 30 super swipes, 15, 5 and 2. So select how many super swipes you want and tap on get here in the bottom. And here you will see the pricing and the features of the premium, Bumble Premium. Here you will see what you get in premium. To buy premium, tap on upgrade and select for how many months or weeks you want. So 1 week, here is 1 week option, 3 months, lifetime, 6 months and 1 month. So after selecting, tap on continue here in bottom and it will redirect you the payment page, and from here you can tap on continue and pay them. Now if you want to buy boost, swipe left and here you will see what you will get with boost. You will get unlimited likes, 5 super swipes, 1 spotlight, unlimited extends, unlimited rematch and unlimited backtrack. So to buy it, again you have to tap on upgrade and then here you have to select for how many months or weeks you want and tap on continue. So this is how you can get Bumble Premium. Thanks for watching.